Ichiba is a Japanese food hall in Westfield, Shepherd's Bush. I think the entrance is closer to White City and Wood Lane tube stations really, but I did go there from Shepherd's Bush tube. In November, to celebrate Hello Kitty's 45th birthday, Ichiba were doing a special bento box deal with Hello Kitty matcha latte and free tote bag, and also selling lots of Hello Kitty goods. And I'd seen it on Instagram, and while I was visiting London, I just couldn't resist. Ichiba is run by the same people that run Japan Centre in Piccadilly. And so they sell loads and loads of Japanese goods. You can't get that easily elsewhere in the country, and some that you can. But one of the things they do is they've got bakeries and cafes, so they do cute little anime buns, and I've had them before and they're really, really delicious. And they also do things like melon pan that are quite hard to get really unless you've got a specialist store around. So as for the bento, it's more of a kid's bento, I think, as there was very little fish, some chicken karage, and some of the little hot dog octopi that you tend to get in kids' bento boxes. In fact, I didn't see any other adults with one. However, there was lots of veg, so I did feel a little bit healthier. So when I was trying this, my favourite bits were the onigiri, the rice ball, and the mochi, which was filled with chocolate flavoured red bean paste, and that was really, really nice.